Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. On this video we are going to look how we can buy the orders on Tool4seller app. For that, just open the Tool4seller app. So when you open the app, here we can see the me option. On the bottom we can see the profile option. Just go through there in the in the bottom right corner. So in the bottom right corner, when we tap on here we can see the purchase add-ons option. Just below the buying option, just tap on the purchase add-ons option, and here we can see the orders option. Just tap on the buying option. So by tapping on that, we can buy the orders. Just do the payment method, choose your payment method. After doing the payment, we can buy the orders on Tool4seller app. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.